Ryngkatlang wat kari India berok kawai ka West Khasis district ru kalayo ban Rakhe ka sngi Republic de ka banyo phuwei hamadan new nongstoin hagabalawan ban jingpynbna lang dagi paitba ka thain ki officer ki nongtre sarkar ki khana school bat kiwei unong ai bu jong menteri rangba ka jalla ubalalong u MLA ka North Tura constituency u Thomas A Sangma ulalong u Kongsan hagaban penhe re kalama lairong jangkari India rangkat ka jingtem ya ka jirwai bakarpang jongkari hagaba ula simru ya ka Rashtriya salute haka march par jangki khatsautli ki kanhun paret bakanthuk ya ki pulit NCC bat ki khana school hagate ka sni lai don lang ru MLA ka nong stoin Max Milang Bersat u Deputy Commissioner ka West Khasis district ba Tilangwa u Superintendent of Police West Khasis District BJ Lalu bat kiwei lakham penpu penpeng shushu ya ka jing Rakhe ya ka teka singi bakrao jangari India da ka jingi jingpynbna jong kitanat sarkar bapher ban pen inam ki balashna karpang halaki jong ki banta la sakhiru ha ka teka singi ya ka jingi lakai bapher kantup ya ka cultural program ka ruai ka siaw ka shat ka tem bat kiwei
Our major initiatives is the implementation of Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme along with Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, which was launched in December 2018. Under these programs, health insurance coverage of Rs 5 lakhs per family is provided to all eligible households except government employees, thus expanding the coverage to over 7 lakh households. Improving the health infrastructure, especially in the rural areas, will continue to be our focus. Agriculture and allied sectors of horticulture, fisheries, and animal husbandry are crucial sectors for the growth of the economy. Increasing the livelihood opportunities in this sector and improving welfare of farmers and producers is an important mandate of this government. The department has taken various initiatives to benefit the farmers. So far, the total of 61,060 farmers have received the first installment of income support assistance of ₹6,000 per year from the central sector scheme Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi during the year 2019 through direct benefit transfer (DBT).
From District Executive Force, Platoon number 2, being led by Sri S. Ahmed.
The JNV Boys Long Story in contingent number 7, led by F. Marblin.
The purpose of utilizing these machines is to popularize mechanized agriculture and also to address. Coming up next is a tableau presentation from social welfare display from the fire tenderers of the Longstoin DEF.
Forestation and reforestation work. Entry point activity.
Bharat Mission. Swachh Bharat Mission and Jal Jeevan Mission. The tableau depicts ODF plus village, an outcome on intervention of Swachh Bharat Mission, wherein there is a proper system of implement as a shield of protection from abuse, neglect, and destitution. Whereas the figure under the umbrella of the society and laying emphasis on is the main source of potable water.
The second prize. And the second award of Rs 50,000 received